Right? Here we go. Get in the game. Y'all need to get in the game. Please get in the game so you can get yourself out the flames. Y'all, hell is mad real and the fire's mad hot. And God will let you burn like the weed on the block. Imagine all that. Y'all imagine all the flames. You still got a choice to avoid all the pain. Because time is disappearing like heat on ice cream and running short like D-Rose standing next to Yao Ming. Word. It's like this. See? I'm watching people play with God like he PlayStation 3. Y'all messing up your souls with all them videos on TV. See, today's music is like crack. Y'all addicted to CDs. Full of that 106 in Park and that Poison on BET. See, I know what y'all on. You banging all that Drake and you bumping all that Flocka. I'd rather be at the opera. At least they dress right and speak proper. See, y'all love all this drama, Nicki Minaj and Lil Wayne. Did y'all know all this stuff was made for people with little brains? See, the process starts like this. So you bumping Lil Wayne and now you got a little name and at your real little school and think you got a little game. So you get a little chain and then you flash a little bit of change and you get a little number so you can get a little thing. So you got a little brain and now you smoke a little flame. Drink a little E&J, now you getting little grades. You a little gangbanger flashing a little chrome thing. You the world's little slave digging yourself a little grave. See? And for you, Miss Thing, you with this little dude, though he be a little rude, thinking you a little cool, queen of your little school. He buying you a little shoes. He show you to his little crew. So your little man got you thinking it's all about little you. Now you full of little bogus thinking he a little cruel. You got another little girl and now you a little fool. See, he with his little breezy, and you hit him up on the celly and got to tell him that you got his little baby in your belly. See, it started with the music. And what's sad is this, that most shorties will say, it'll never be me. Shoot, I know a shorty your age with HIV. My cousin had 3 kids before she was 18 years. My friend Adam got murdered the summer of my senior year. He woke up that morning, that night he hit the streets. He got shot in the heart and he died instantly. And he wasn't on nothing. Wrong place, wrong time. Man, I hope he was saved. It eats away at my mind that my friend could be in hell in a whole lot of pain with a bullet in his heart and regret in his brain with tears in his eyes and worms in his skin. Man, I pray to God he repented of his sins. He ain't got no second chance, man. He never went to prom. He never got a chance to say goodbye to his moms, y'all. He never got to see his high school graduation. And maybe knowing God could have changed this situation. To this day, I'm devastated. What if he didn't make it? What if he did go to hell? Could I handle the condemnation? I could have prayed for him. I could have led him to Christ. I could have saved him from hell. I could have got him to paradise. But I didn't know the Lord then. If I did, I would have told him. And if I couldn't tell him, I would have found a way to show him. But I just didn't know him. I just didn't know him. I hope God let him in. And eternity in hell is no way for life to end. I can still see his smile and see his offbeat style. At times I hear him screaming saying, God, let me out. I didn't know you existed. I didn't know you was real. I didn't know that when I went to kick it, I would just get killed. It just ain't fair, God. It just ain't right. I thought everybody got to heaven when they left this life. Man, I would have got saved. Lord, I would have said yes. I would have stopped drinking. I would have stopped having sex. I would have went to church on Sundays and gave you all the praise. And I would have gave you thanks for all my good grades. Have mercy on me, Lord, and put out the flames. No one ever told me to give glory to your name. It's difficult for me, y'all, not knowing the fate of my guy. So I'm telling y'all so you won't be surprised that tomorrow ain't promised to you. None of y'all know your time. You hear me say this poem, before I'm finished, you can die. So stop playing games, y'all. Please stop playing games. You know who you are. I don't have to say your name. I'm telling y'all, Christ is real. One day we all leaving. And most of y'all better know the Lord before you stop breathing. Get in the game, y'all. Y'all need to get in the game. Get in the game and get yourself out the flames. See, y'all, hell is mad real, and that fire is real hot, and God will let you burn like the weed on the block. Imagine all that heat, y'all. Imagine all them flames. You still got a choice to avoid all the pain. Because, see, Life is disappearing like heat on ice cream, and your time is running short like D-Rose standing next to Yao Ming.